This is the Acer Nitro V gaming laptop. It's a powerhouse for gamers, let me tell you why. It has an Intel i5 13th Gen chipset, RTX 3050 GPU with a dedicated 6GB virtual RAM and 16GB high-speed DDR5 RAM. Also, it comes with the latest Windows 11 Home. So if you're looking for a gaming laptop to help you with your gaming fun, this can be your best choice. Now let's talk about the build and aesthetics of the Acer Nitro V. This laptop comes in a Black Obsidian color with a matte finish body and strong hinges that don't wobble. You can easily open the laptop with one hand, but unlike other laptops, it can't open up to 180 degrees. It has a large air intake from the down below and dual exhausts. The bigger one is here facing the screen side, and the smaller one is on the right side to maintain optimum airflow. What I dislike about this air design is that you cannot use it on your laps or mattresses, because doing so will disrupt the airflow and you will experience low performance. Moreover, Nitro V gives smooth typing experiences with the backlit keyboard layout. It has numeric keys and international language support, including the indicators of caps lock and F4 microphone mute. Talking about this gaming beast's hardware specifications, Nitro V is equipped with a powerful RTX 3050 GPU and a 6GB dedicated virtual RAM. But it's not as powerful as the Acer Nitro V's advanced i7 RTX 4050 variant. Moreover, 16GB DDR5 RAM with dual slots can be used to double your gaming beast's performance up to 32 gigs. It has a total storage capacity of 512 gigs, which can be extended with an extra NVMe slot and HDD slot. So, you don't have to worry about future storage upgrades. Nitro V has an additional cooling feature called NitroSense. Its auto modes maintain CPU and GPU temperatures and can be customized manually, which is one of the reasons I bought this laptop. This gaming beast has an IPS 1920 by 1080 Full HD screen with a 144Hz refresh rate for better gaming experience. The screen brightness is okayish. If you like to play games in a dark room, then it's good. Also, the screen is good for basic video editing. But if you're looking at this laptop for advanced level stuff like color grading, enhanced visual effects, etc., then you will need to add the monitor with it. Furthermore, Nitro V has a 720p webcam, which is kind of good for live streaming, but I don't think that it's the best. Moreover, this laptop is powered by a lithium-ion battery that gives up to 5 hours of battery backup in power-saving mode and 2.5 hours of battery backup in performance mode. It comes with a 3-pin 135-watt AC adapter charger and requires it to be connected to your PC while playing games. Acer Nitro V comes with 3 USB-A 3.2 ports, 1 Thunderbolt USB Type-C, 1 HDMI, 1 RJ45 Gigabit Ethernet, and 1 audio jack. Also, it has the latest Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.1 connectivity. Now, let's talk about some other aspects of this gaming beast. It has a backlit keyboard and the trackpad is smooth, but I wish that Acer had added an RGB backlit keyboard to it. I tested its display with IMAX movies like Avengers Endgame, Tenet, Ascending, and AAA games like Horizon Zero Dawn, etc. And I have no complaints with it. Nitro V is equipped with dual speakers, which sounds okay, but it could have been better. Same case with the webcam. The quality is good for usual meetings or having fun with your online friends, but you can't use it for live streams or professional meetings where your appearance matters the most. For that case, you can use an external webcam. Port seems to be tough to connect with storage devices. However, you can quickly connect any device with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi network. Can it survive the drop? Well, I don't know, and I won't do that. It has the latest Intel i5 octa-core 13th Gen chipset, 6GB RTX 3050 graphic card, dual-slot 16GB DDR5 RAM, IPS 144Hz Full HD 15.6 inches display, 720 pixels HD webcam, and backlit keyboard for amazing gameplay, Windows 11 Home, and NitroSense. This laptop is a ravaging beast for gaming. But Acer Nitro V has some weak points that you should keep in mind while purchasing a gaming laptop under $900. The placement of the larger exhaust is not in a good place. It shoots all the hot air and dust towards the screen. The speaker's quality needs to be improved. The screen is amazing for gaming, but it is not suited for professional video editing. You can add an external monitor for video editing, color grading, and visual effects. Ultimately, whether the Acer Nitro V is worth buying depends on your specific needs and priorities. If you prioritize gaming performance and value the feature it offers within its price range, it can be a compelling choice. In case you require a laptop for more intensive video editing tasks or demand superior audio quality, in that case, consider other options such as Acer Nitro i7 RTX 4050 GPU, MSI Thin GF63, Asus TUF Gaming A17, etc. With its blend of power, performance, and affordability, the Acer Nitro V stands as a strong contender in the gaming laptop market, offering a compelling option for those seeking a balance between gaming prowess and everyday usability. So overall, the Acer Nitro V is one of the best gaming laptops you can buy under $900. And that wraps up today's video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up.